This video will show the best snowmobile helmets available on the market right now, so you're ready to take advantage of every snowfall this winter. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Most popular 509 Altitude 2.0 Helmet. You can't include 509 on this video without mentioning the Altitude family. The 509 Altitude 2.0 is the pinnacle of this series, as it is lighter, stronger, and more comfortable than the original Altitude. The Altitude 2.0 boasts hand-laid fiberglass composite construction that features a one-piece eye-port trim, upper vents with on-up shutter closure for airflow control, Fidlock chin strap closure, GoPro mounting capability, and Pro Series removable breath box. The improved design, fit, and a lighter weight construction make for the perfect off-road helmet. Number 2. HJC CLY Snowmobile Helmet. This snowmobile helmet is particularly good for young riders who want to get into the hobby without having to stick with an oversized and potentially dangerous adult helmet that doesn't fit quite right. Purchase this and you'll get a helmet with a solid black matte finish for added visibility on the snow. It's DOT certified to ensure aquatic safety, and it comes with a breath guard and dual lens shield. Other features include a removable and washable Nylex interior and integrated vents on either side to prevent the visor from fogging up. Number 3. HJC CSR3 Dosta Adult Snowmobile Helmet. Here's an excellent adult snowmobile helmet that comes with a built-in electric shield. In addition, the HJC CSR3 comes with an advanced polycarbonate composite shell, allowing the helmet to stay lightweight and durable at the same time. Even better, the helmet comes built with a very wide field of view, integrated exhaust vents, and even a shield replacement system, so you can replace any shattered, all without the use of tools. A simple and secure shield ratchet system provides ultra-quick toolless removal and installation for efficient operation. Number 4. Typhoon K27 Snocross Snowmobile Helmet. This DOT certified budget-friendly helmet is ideal for the casual snowmobile rider. It features a removable breath guard, removable helmet liner, plus vents along the back for the helmet. The liner is also removable, so you can easily wash it when you need to. It even comes with an adjustable sun visor and weighs only 3 pounds. These are impressive features to find in a great value snowmobile helmet. With a breath box, chin skirt, helmet bag included, and an extremely warm liner, this is probably the warmest snowmobile helmet on the market. Number 5. CastleX Mode DS SV Snowmobile Helmet. CastleX is a well-respected gear brand, and our favorite snowmobile helmet from this manufacturer is the CastleX Mode Dual Support SV, which comes in a wide variety of sizes ranging from extra small all the way up to extra large. You can pick up the Mode Dual Sport SV in a wide variety of colors and go with an elastic shield or a dual pane anti-fog shield depending on your budget. Features included are a smoke-tinted sun visor, removable breath box, and cold weather chin curtain. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.